Hi, Lynn. I'm Christina. I'm the occupational therapy student that's going to be working with you today. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So what we're going to work on today is we're just going to move your shoulder blade around a little bit. I'm going to move your arm through some motions, and all that's going to do is it's just going to put some range of motion in that shoulder that's not working as great for you, and hopefully try to stimulate a little bit of activity and maybe some of that muscle tone in it. All right.
Okay.
And then we're going to make some tea because I heard you love to drink tea and
I do
sit
love
with
tea.
your cats.
Yes, I do.
And then we'll get you positioned in bed so you can snuggle your cats good at night. How's that all sound?
Sounds good.
All right, awesome. So is it okay if I put my hands on you?
Yeah, of course.
All right, awesome. So what I'm going to do is we're just position this arm like this. And let me know if you have any pain or discomfort with this, okay?
Okay.
Beautiful. All right, so now I'm going to take your arm. Great. Awesome. Nice quiet neighborhood you have here.
Yeah.
All right, got one more motion. Same. Does that feel okay?
Yeah.
Any pain?
No pain or just no pain.
Okay. One more time. Beautiful. Some nice good movement. All right. Take a deep breath for me. Perfect. Now I'm going to move your arm through some kind of crazy motions,
Okay.
but I promise it's good for you.
Okay.
All right. So what we're going to start with is our D1 flexion extension. So we're going to come up and over, so. We're going to come out and extend. Come back over here, everything's flexed. And then back down and extend. Good. Okay. Then we're going to come across our body. We're going to start with our D2 flexion like this. And then we're going to come out and down to our hip. And back up. And one more time down. Great. Good job. All right, Lynn, so we're gonna make a cup of tea, and I see you have like this little Keurig type machine. So I'm gonna have you go ahead and make yourself a cup of tea. All right, so why don't you go ahead and show me how you do it?
Okay. Where to press. Okay.
Okay. And the water's coming out.
Mhm.
All right, awesome. How about while the water's coming out, what do you do next?
I don't know. Okay. Having trouble.
Okay. All right, so what we can do is we can take this hand. I'm going to help you. You can stabilize that tea bag. Okay, now go ahead and open up that tea bag. A little bit easier, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now we're going to let up on our pressure a little bit here. Do you think you can pull your tea bag out? Let's see a little. Awesome. Put that over there. Put our hand back down here. All right. Can you grab that water off now that it's full? Awesome. Tea bag in the
Let's see for a little bit.
Perfect. All right.
All right.
Lynn, so the last thing we're going to do, like we talked about before, is we're going to do a little bit of positioning in bed so that your arm is nice and supported, but that you can also sleep on the side that you want, so you can snuggle with your cats. Okay?
Sounds good.
So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you bend your left leg up for me, foot on the bed. Yep. I'm going to help you with your right leg. Perfect. And then what I'd like you to do is give yourself a hug. So you're going to need to take your left arm and kind of help your right arm out a little bit. Perfect. And then we're just going to roll onto our side. All right.
Okay.
You ready?
Mhm.
1, 2, 3. Beautiful. All right. I'm going to just fix this pillow. All right. So I'm going to put a pillow behind you so that we don't roll backwards. So this arm you can position however it's comfortable for you.
Okay.
And I'm going to help you with this one. Hand is nice and supported. You want this up about 90 degrees. So kind of like this position, just so that it's in a nice supported position on the pillow. And then I'm going to help you with this leg. I'm going to bring it forward just a touch. And you want your knee and your foot and everything supported on this pillow so that it's comfortable. How does that feel?
Feels good.
Awesome.
Comfortable.
All right. Well, thank you, Lynn, for letting me work with you. Hope you have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.